Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be telling you 2 easy ways to change your Mobile Legends account. So first of all, usually players will be given the option to connect their Mobile Legends account to Moonton, Facebook, Google Play and VK account. Of the 4 accounts above, the ones most often used for how to change practical ML accounts are Facebook and Google Play. So first of all, you need to register for a Facebook account that will be linked to your Mobile Legends account. This will be the main capital when you create a Mobile Legends account. You also have to do the same when connecting your Mobile Legends account with Google Play games. You must have a Google Play account. Now if you have created Facebook and Google accounts, of course all you have to do is download and create a Mobile Legends account and then be connected to one of these accounts, either Facebook or Google. Now if you want to switch the account while you have already installed Mobile Legends, you just have to open up the settings and then go into app settings. Then make sure you clear data in the settings for the Mobile Legends. Then once you open it up again, it will ask you to log in. So just log in to either of your account, either Facebook or the Google one, whichever one you choose. That's how you can switch accounts in Mobile Legends. If this video helped you guys out, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.